Are you looking for a way to make some money without putting in a huge amount of work? Well, I found a new way to do that, and I'm going to share it with you today. Stay with me through this whole video to find out how you can make money in a jiffy. All you need to do is set up an account with the website that I'm going to talk about today, and you can be watching the money roll into your account in no time. I got you, boo, so keep listening. Oh, and I also have receipts to prove that people are actually making money through this method. One of the best parts is that making cash this way is really easy, and I'm going to walk you through each and every step. Stay with me while I spill the tea.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
To get the ball rolling on your money-making journey, just head over to offervault.com. Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? Well, this website is a hub for that. Here on OfferVault, you can find thousands of offers to promote. So basically how it works is you refer someone to an offer and then get paid just like that. Now, that person also needs to register to the site for you to earn some cash. You don't have to actually make a sale though to earn money. Just a referral and registration, and bada bing bada boom, you've got some cash. A type of offer that you might want to take note of is a CPA. So you may be wondering, what is a CPA? Well, let me tell you, CPAs will change your life. CPA stands for cost per action. Now, that basically means that anyone you refer doesn't need to buy anything for you to make some cha-ching. All a person needs to do is sign up for an account, and you can be rolling in some cash. I promise it's a whole lot easier to convince your friends and family to sign up for an account than it is to get them to shell out cash. So you'll get CPAs based on the types of products that you promote. Some types of products that you promote can give you less than $10, but some can get you close to $100. If you scroll down, you can see that this platform has been up for a while, and it was founded by affiliate marketers. OfferVault is hands down the best place for people to find affiliate offers, plus they make it easy to verify their reputation. You can connect with other affiliates and make some really good money. Now, to get started, you're going to need to go ahead and create an account. If you're ready to go ahead and do that, hit the register button up top. If you're not ready, then why are you watching this video? Anyways, back to registering, just go ahead and fill in the registration form with your personal information. And if you're having trouble figuring out what details they need because you're like me and have very bad eyesight, they're asking you for your first name, last name, email address, password. Now confirm your password, select what country you're from, and then input your Skype ID. Now for the last and most important step, hit submit now. High five! You did it, buddy. Now you can start making money. To do that, just go click on categories. Once you've done that, search for CPA and hit that. Want a little insider tip? Choose products that are available worldwide. Doing this widens the number of people that you can promote the product to, in turn giving you a chance at making more money. There's this one product here that can actually help you earn a lot more money. So I'm going to bring you over to it and show you. This product is available internationally and it can pay you this much. Insane, right? See here, it's available in all of these countries so you can promote it to people all over the world. So now that you've gotten a look at what kind of products are ideal to promote, and you kind of have an idea how that works, I'm going to show you a platform that you can use to promote your product so that you can get tons of traffic and make tons of money. So fasten your seatbelt because this platform could change your life. Before I do that though, I'm going to show you how to share your link. Again, no one needs to actually buy this product for you to make money. They just need to sign up, and doing that is completely free. If they buy it, great. But if not, no worries because you can still make money when they sign up. So with your account, you're going to want to grab your affiliate link so that you can share it. To do that, just click on the link and it should bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, this next part is going to vary based on what type of product you're promoting, but you just fill in some info that they need and then sign up.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Ta-da! Now you should have your affiliate links. Now comes the next step, which is creating traffic. And no, you don't need a car to do this. So you may be wondering how I'm going to create traffic to my link, and guess what? You're looking right at it. YouTube. YouTube is the best place to share your link and create traffic. At this point, you might be kind of worried because you probably think that sharing your link on YouTube entails creating a video, and I can assure you, you don't need any video editing skills whatsoever. You're basically just gonna grab a pre-made video and then upload it along with your affiliate link. You can breathe now that you know that. Now, you may be wondering how to get views to start creating traffic, and rest assured there's a way to get thousands of views without really putting in too much effort. So do not fret. As I mentioned, there are a lot of other people making money this way, so you know that it really does work. Since you're promoting this product, you just need to search for videos that are related to it. Here's what one of the videos that comes up in the search results looks like. As you can see, this person just grabbed videos from other people and they didn't film anything themselves, which is exactly what you're going to be doing. If you look at their descriptions, you'll also see their affiliate links, which is exactly what you will be doing. So basically, this dude or chick makes money off of a video that they didn't film at all, which is once again exactly what you will be doing. See this video right here? It's basically exactly the same and also has affiliate links in the description. Lots of people are doing this, so it must work, right? Now here's an example of what not to do. So you can see that this person is promoting this product on Amazon. Now, why is this not the best way to make money, you may ask? And I may answer that Amazon doesn't really have great affiliate rates, so doing this wouldn't make you as much money as it would make you on OfferVault.com. Also, people have to actually buy what you're promoting on Amazon for you to make money, unlike on OfferVault. Just getting a sign up can help you earn some moolah, so it's worth promoting your link. OfferVault is clearly way better than Amazon. So if I were you, I'd listen to my advice. All you need to do is make a compilation video for whatever product you're promoting and then share your link. It's that quick and simple. Now, to find videos that you can compile, all you need to do is hit filters and select Creative Commons. Doing this should bring up videos that you can re-upload without ending up with copyright issues. Now comes the easy part, which is downloading these videos from YouTube onto your mobile device or laptop. To do that, just open up Google Search and search for YouTube to MP4. Select one of the search results and then go ahead and follow the instructions to be able to download the video that you want. Once you've got it on your device, you can head over to YouTube, re-upload it, and then stick your affiliate link in the description box of the video. Now, at this point, you may be wondering, my video is up, but how do I get views on here? Well, I'm going to show you a website that can actually help you out. The website is called VFly.com. Using VFly can help you get tons of views in no time. Basically, they use AdWords to help promote your videos to the right people. Using VFly will help bring people interested in the product that you're promoting to your video so that they can see and click on your affiliate link and help you make money right now. You can earn $20, $30, $40, or even $100 just by promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. Now, you may be a little hesitant to use VFly because you do need to shell out a bit of cash, but I swear that the investment is worth it because you can make thousands of dollars using this method. If you're a bit skeptical about using VFly because you aren't sure that it's legit, you can actually check out the reviews on Trustpilot. You can see that it has a really high rating, so you know that it's legit. Just upload and then promote your video and voila, passive income. See, you barely did anything and you're on your way to earning thousands of dollars. Just leave your affiliate link in the description and you could be a millionaire in no time. You can take my word for it. And that's the tea on how you can make some good money. I hope you learned something.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.